Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google AI Studio. In this video, I'll show you how to create video with your Google AI Studio on your phone, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your Google AI Studio. So I'm going to click on here now. After you open up your Google AI Studio, it's going to take you right here. And from the home page right here, what you want to do is to go ahead and click on Chat with Modus. Then once you are here, swipe this way, go ahead and navigate to video. Under the video section, then you have VEO2 right here. Go ahead and tap on that. Then you are here. So from here, before you can generate a video, you have to do some simple settings. And for that, go ahead and click on here to set the format. Now we have different formats right here. We have 16 by 9 and then 9 by 16. This is depends on the place we want to use the video. So I'm going to use 9 by 16. Then video duration, click on here and choose your duration. So I need just 5-second duration. Click on here now and select your frame rate. So by default, every frame rate is 25 per second. Then you have output resolution, which is the quality of the video. Go ahead and select the quality. So by default, you have the quality of the video to be 720 right here. So just make sure that you set up everything. Then the number of the results you want, enter it right here. But in this tutorial, I'm using just one video per generation, and our state-of-the-art video generation mode available to developer on the paid tier of the Gemini AI PR. So close here. Now we have set all our settings. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and enter our prompt right here. I'm going to click on here now. Then I'll click and hold down and paste my prompt right here. Once you paste your prompt, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here, generate a video based on your prompt. So I'm going to click on here now. Now we have our video right here. So I can go on and click on here to play the video. Let's find out. Just like so. Next thing we want to do here is to click on here and make sure we download our video. You can click on here to view the full screen of the video. Click on here and play the video. You can see our video is fully ready right here. Now we can go ahead and add the video to our Google Drive storage, or better still, we click on here to download the video. So I'm going to click on here now and download the video. Successful download. I can click on open. This will allow me to play the video on my phone gallery. It's that simple. So this is how to generate video using Google AI Studio. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.